Hi everybody, today is Monday and I would like to share with you another one of my podcasts from those I made last year. And so in this one I will talk about the Beltane celebration and also about inspiration. What happens when you have no inspiration? Is it lost forever? Or should you take a break? What happens? What is inspiration? And what makes us do the kind of art we love to do? So have fun listening to the podcast, and I wish you all an amazing week and full of projects and good things. See you next week.
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, how was your weekend? I hope it was fantastic. I'm here with some ideas for your upcoming week, so take a look. So this week we have the Beltane Fire Festival. This is actually an ancient celebration related to the beginning of the pastoral summer season, blessing and protecting the cattle, crops, and people themselves. It is one of the 4 Gaelic seasonal festivals, and it is performed between the 30th April and the 1st of May. It is also related to Irish mythology, parallel worlds, and higher deities. This is a very juicy theme to make a project. If you are a believer from a religious point of view, it can be considered or made as an offering or a celebration. If you just like the theme and the fantasy representations, which we nowadays have a lot, it can also be a beautiful work. You have almost infinite representations of fairies and elves, the whole fairy realm, usually combined with natural elements such as trees, mushrooms, tree houses, unusual lights, etc. The other idea I have for you is a celebration called Cinco de Mayo, or Battle of Puebla, in Mexico. This is an annual celebration of the Mexican Army's victory over the French Empire at the Battle of Puebla on May 5th, 1862, under the leadership of General Ignacio Zaragoza. Like many other important battles, this one has a lot of representations. There are many paintings that can inspire you. The horses, the landscape, the dust clouds, soldiers, there is so much for you to explore. It will make a beautiful wood burning. Make it big. You'll have a lot more detail and will be easier to do. It will take longer though. On the tips and tricks section, I want to talk about inspiration. This is a very personal issue. We all work different and feel different. That's what makes us unique and special as individuals and artists. Inspiration doesn't have a switch. It's a connection. It works combined with a lot of other feelings, with types of moods. Some of us get more creative when they're sad, others when are happy. It's something very personal. It is also like riding a bike, as we usually say. Once you learn how to use it, it will never be lost. It's a gift, and it can grow with exercise and commitment. Sometimes you may feel like you've lost it and that you can't create anymore, or that everything goes wrong and you don't have that gift anymore. That's not true. It's your mind telling you that you need some change or a new inspiration source, or even that you're too tired and you need a break. Try to listen with your heart and don't be sad because of it. It's not lost. Try to understand what's missing. Art, from my point of view, has two sides to it. The representation part, colors, drawings, types of medium, the material part, and the personal part, the soul, the personal print, the connection. If you can combine these two, the result is amazing for sure. This is all I have for you today. I hope it gives you some extra ideas and inspiration. Remember that life imitates art more than art imitates life itself. Good work, everyone. Have a wonderful day and a great week.
Funtastic Mondays.